Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and adjust delivery window on Instacart? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for instacart.com. Make sure that you are already logged in into your account. Now, there is a feature that Instacart provides, which is called schedule a delivery, which means you can schedule the delivery any time of the day that you prefer. So for example, I'm going to head into Target. I've added a couple things into my cart. I'm simply going to go ahead and tap on view cart and click on go to checkout. Once I go ahead and do that, as you can see, there's going to be a schedule a delivery or schedule and save right over here, and this is where I can simply go ahead and select the date: 10 a.m. to noon, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., noon to 2 p.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., and so on and so forth. You can also select the dates, by the way. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.